Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and please watch video on PC and laptop. And our today topic is and जो आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो एडवांस मशीन लर्निंग स्पेशलाइजेशन। एंड जो मेरी जो पिछली वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने वीक इंट्रोडक्शन टू डीप लर्निंग ऑल वीक क्विज आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस किया था एंड द हाउ टू विन ए डेटा साइंस कोर्स नंबर 2 कंप्लीटिशन लर्न फ्रॉम टॉप कैगलर्स, इसके भी क्विज़ के बारे में डिस्कस कर दिया था। एंड जो आज हमारा कोर्स का टॉपिक आज का टॉपिक है वो है कोर्स 3 बाइजन मेथड फॉर मशीन लर्निंग। इसके क्विज़ के आंसर के बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे, ऑल वीक क्विज आंसर। एंड द वीक वन हैव टू पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज conjugate prayers and the second part is introduction to Bayes method. And introduction to Bayes method, and the first question answer is x comma theta, and the second question answer is this p a a backslash b is equal to में a b a c backslash b bracket dc, and the second answer is this, and the third answer is this is the second question answer of week 1 course number Bayesian method for machine learning। एंड जो मैंने मेरी जो असाइनमेंट थी उसको मैंने पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट कर लिया था ताकि वीडियो थोड़ी शॉर्ट बन सके। एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड आंसर इज दिस दिस द क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड। वीडियो को शॉर्ट बनाने के लिए मैंने इसको पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट कर दिया था। एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ आंसर इज नो, एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ आंसर इज yes. This is the question number fifth, and the question number sixth answer is this is the question number sixth answer, B answer. And the question number seventh answer is this, A answer, uniform distribution with the same limits for each components. And the question number eighth answer is this is the question number 8, and the answer is C. This is the question number 8th answer, and the answer is this, level 0, arrow down, temperature, level, overflow, and the time, arrow down. This is the C answer. And the question number 9th answer is B. This is the question number 9th answer. And the question number 10th answer is A. This is the question number 10th answer. थोड़ा सा ग्राफ हल्का सा यहाँ से थोड़ा सा उठ रहा है, एल नोट एंड एल। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th आंसर एंड वीक 1 क्विज आंसर, एंड दिस इज द क्विज conjugate prayers week 1 quiz answer. And the first question answer is the posterior would stay in the same family of distribution as prior. And the question number second answer is this is the question number second part, A answer, answer C and answer D. This is the question number 2 answer, and the question number third answer is this is the question number third answer. And the question number fourth answer is this is the question number fourth, inverse gamma with PDF, scale inverse chi-squared with PDF. And the question number fifth answer is putting initial knowledge into prior distribution is an advantage of Bayesian approach, and for some problems conjugate priors may be inadequate. And the question number sixth answer is 8 4 0.7. This is the week 1 quiz answer, question number 6th answer, and our course is Bayesian method for machine learning. and अब जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो है वीक 2 क्विज आंसर, Bayesian method for machine learning. This is the week 2 quiz answer, and this quiz answer have two parts. First one is EM algorithm, and the second is latent variable models and EM algorithm. And the first we discuss EM algorithm. and the first question answer is this: all are correct. And the first question answer is all are correct. And the second question answer is A, because incomplete likelihood does not depend on Q bracket Z. And the question number third answer is EM algorithm always converges. This is the question number third answer. And the question number fourth answer is this is the question number fourth answer. And the question number fifth, and this is the last question, and the part B is latent variable models and EM algorithms. And the question number first answer is this: question number first have all are correct. This is the question number first, all answer are correct. And the question number second answer is this: yes, it makes sense to add exact coordinates as latent variables here. And the question number third answer is rainfall measurement with 4 different seasons, high distribution of people of different ethnicities. And the question number fourth answer is A and D. And the question number A, sorry yaar, this is the question number fourth, and the fourth, sorry, this is a question number 4, and this is a question number fifth answer. Fifth answer is this: in this question I have all answer are correct. This is a week 2 quiz answer of Bayesian मेथड फॉर मशीन लर्निंग. अब हम करेंगे वीक 3 आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस. जो वीक 3 क्विज आंसर है बेसियन मेथड फॉर मशीन लर्निंग, इसके दो पार्ट हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज लेटेंट डायरेक्ट एलोकेशन एंड variential inference. And first we will discuss latent direct allocation. The question number first answer is A and D. And the question number second answer is frequency for word or combinations of word. And the question number third answer is third. And the question number fourth answer is simplex. And the question number fifth answer is k is equal to 2. The question number sixth answer is 111. If you watch this video full, you got 100% marks in quiz. And the question number seventh answer is A, B and C. C is document clustering. And this is the last question of part 1, latent direct allocation, and the second is variential inference. And the question number first answer is px is equal to qx. This is the question number first. And the question number second answer is this: klp colon q is 0, avoiding klp q colon नहीं यार, मैं क्या कह सकते हैं इसको, इसका नाम मेरे को याद नहीं है, अगर आपको पता हो तो कमेंट कर देना. And the question number third answer is A. This is the question number third answer. Third answer is this: blue graph and light orange graph. And the question number fourth answer is factorize distribution. Question number fifth answer is this is the question number fifth answer. And the question number sixth answer is now we would update all factorize distribution one after another until they coverage. This is a week 3 quiz answer of this course, Bayesian method for machine learning, advanced machine learning specialization. अब हम करेंगे वीक 4 क्विज आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस, वी विल डिस्कस वीक 4 क्विज आंसर. Week 4 quiz answers have one part, and the part is Markov chain Monte Carlo. Markov chain Monte Carlo. And the first question answer is this C and D. This is the first question answer. This one and this one. And the question number second answer is big of n. Complexity is big of n. And the question number second and question number third answer is A. This is the A. Compute an integral. The question number C. Do full Bayesian inference. And the D. Estimate the expressed value of arbitrary random variable. And the question number fourth answer is Markov chain does not remember states other than current. And the question number fifth is the question number fifth answer is MCMC techniques are used when one cannot perform Bayesian inference analytically. MCMC can be used to sample from the distribution known up to a normalization constant. This is a week 5 quiz answer, and the week 6 quiz answer is Gibbs sampling reduce multi-dimensional sampling to one-dimensional sampling. And the A and the C and the D. This is the sixth question answer. Each iteration of Gibbs sampling changes only one coordinates of a latent vector, and Gibbs sampling is a special case of Metropolis Hastings algorithm. And the question number seventh answer is weight of the network W, prediction of the network Y given fixed input X. And the question number eighth answer is run the stochastic gradient descent perturbing all network weights and so on. And the question number ninth answer is it means that posterior distribution over some of the variables is computed analytically and so on. This is the question number ninth answer, and the last question answer is Z. This is a week 4 quiz answer of Bayesian method for machine learning. And Bayesian method for machine learning week 5 have no quiz answer, no quiz, and we will discuss quiz week 6 quiz answer. And the week 6 quiz answer is week 6 quiz answer have only one part. The part name is Gaussian process and Bayesian optimization. And the question number first answer is B and D. Usually learning process is just remembering the data sets and have a lot of parameters depending of data set size. And the question number second answer is B, mx is equal to me constant. This is the question number second answer. X is equal to me x dash. This is the question number second. And the question number जो third है answer is big of n की power 3 and plus dn square. And the question number fourth answer is A, C and D. If the object is for sampling, then the variation and px fx1 x2 is normal distribution variance of fx1 x2 and so on is close to 0. This is a week 4 quiz answer. Sorry, this is a week 6 quiz answer and the question number 4th answer. And the question number 5 answer is parameters of the models 8, L and sigma can be optimized with gradient descents. And the B answer it is object is 4 and higher value of a square gives you the model that is more robust to the noise in the data. This is a 5 question answer. And the question number 6th answer is A and C. This is the question number 6th answer. This one RS can be faster than GP and GP can be faster than RS. This is the question number 6th answer. And the question number 7th answer is only value of fx. And the question number 8th answer is find the best geographic coordinates for oil producing station and find a molecule that possesses certain properties A, C and D. Optimize the configuration of neural network. And this is the last question of week 6 quiz answer. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. एंड जो मेरी जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो होगी उसमें मैं प्रैक्टिकल रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग के ऑल क्विज आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस करूँगा। उसका लिंक मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट में डाल दूँगा कोर्स 4 की। एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। थैंक यू।